Okay, so this is just a quick video tutorial on how to set up a GwtQuery project. First of all, you have to know that there's a couple of plugins that you need. Mainly Google's plugin for Eclipse and Maven. So in both occasions, all you have to do is over here, go to Gwt. There's a plugin SDK, but we're more concerned about this. And they teach you how to set it up in Eclipse. So right now we have 3.7. There's a newer Eclipse, and they have a plugin for that one too. It's not showing on the page though. And of course, this Sonatype plugin, and it works pretty much the same way. You go over here, they give you a URL and for the download, and you would get this URL and you would plug it into Eclipse. So I have Eclipse already running, and I have Maven installed and Java installed properly. So one thing you need to know, Java has to be installed properly, Maven has to be installed properly. Go over here, click on a new project. I don't see Maven here, so I'm gonna go over to Maven. Just pass it up. JJJ. Web. P. Maven. There you go. You're hiding. You're gonna go to Maven project. Press next. Click on next. Now over here, you want to go where it says all catalogs. It shows more stuff, and we're gonna scroll up to where it says. There it goes. We just passed it. GwtQuery. So now we have GwtQuery. This is the plugin. You don't want the plugin. Go up one more. Get the GwtQuery archetype. Version 1.1. Press next. And they're gonna ask you to give it a group ID. Give it an artifact ID. Package name. Project name. Project will shows up here. Once you have a project name, you're good to go. Press finish. And so now it's building the project for you. You'll see it pop up right here. GwtTuts, right? And it's still creating the archetype for you. Basically, it's getting all the jars required to have the project run. And once that's done, then made an ear project. Wasn't paying attention. Don't need the ear project. So something I didn't pay attention to at all. Anyway, a lot of these services you're not going to need, so I would ignore them, like anything that says services right now. And I guess I will have to do this again because I wasn't paying attention. Anyway, here's the short and long of it all. I'm going to go ahead and compile the project. Just press a quick compile. This is the biggest gripe when it comes to Gwt, how long it takes anything to compile. And for anybody who uses a simpler library like jQuery or Dojo or any of the other popular libraries that are out there, you would be asking yourself, why the heck would I want to take this long just to get a page up? And again, like I said in the introduction, if you're just doing a simple page, you know, couple animation here, a little splash there, some CSS tricks. You're not going to want to go with overkill. And GwtQuery is still Gwt, and the focus of GwtQuery isn't in just simple page animation, although it does that well, but it is in the whole data intensive web app. Okay, now you'll see right here it says something like ignore one, and that's always going to happen with your GwtQuery projects. Just do what it says, ignore it. It's going to compile the 6 permutations. We're good to go. And then all I'm going to do is just run it as a web app. And I'm waiting for the launch URLs to show up. Now I'm going to double click here. That should bring up my default browser. And it did. And notice I have this thing right here. That means I'm running in dev mode. It's a plugin that only works in Chrome and Internet Explorer. So you have to install the plugin, and you can see there goes my hello world doing what it's supposed to do. And that was the long and short of it. Thank you for watching the video.